give you a little daily dose of encouragement, or a little bit of encouragement for the weekend. Create your own happiness. Nobody can make you happy but you. You can think positive all weekend, or you can think negative all weekend. But don't you want to think positive? Don't you want to create your own happy? Be happy. If you've got someone around you that's not happy, just say, I'm sorry you're not happy, but I'm going to be happy all weekend, whatever it takes. So enjoy life. Enjoy each day. And make this weekend a happy weekend. I love you guys. I tell you that all the time. I tell you that I love you, and I tell you that I appreciate you, and I'm sending you hugs, and I do mean it. It's not just a Hollywood invitation to tell you that I love you. I love you. I appreciate you. And why can't we tell everyone that we love them? Why? Why not? Have you ever told somebody that you love them and they never said they loved you back? But you know they loved you, but they're just very uncomfortable to tell you. That's okay. Just keep telling them enough that they'll hear it enough that they will say, I love you too. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you until tomorrow. Be happy, okay?